Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I am trying on a Rolex Day-Date 36mm President watch. Now, I like to go to our President showcase and kind of pick out one that really draws my eye to it, and I think you can see why I chose this one, because this one is definitely a showstopper of a watch, even out of all of the Rolex Presidents that we have available. This one is absolutely gorgeous, and it has so many amazing classic Rolex elements to it. It's got the President bracelet with the hidden crown clasp, just an iconic piece of Rolex design. It's also got the fluted bezel, which I love. It adds a little bit of interest and shine and just a little bit of twinkling sparkle as you move your wrist around. You can see as it reflects the surroundings. It just adds a little bit of interest to the bezel without being too overwhelming. But I think that the party is on the dial. It makes this watch a true showstopper watch. It's got this gorgeous mother of pearl, which adds so much beautiful texture and detail and subtle color shifts and changes, especially as you move your wrist around. It's got these beautiful ruby hour markers and these diamonds in between, so it's just a very beautiful and sparkly and well-designed dial all around. I really love that the tones in the mother of pearl are reflected in the rubies for the hour markers. I think it adds so much to the dial. It makes it look so elegant and well-designed and just all around gorgeous. I think that this dial is for someone who loves kind of the Rolex, how they design their dials, how they decide to lay out their dials. I think it's for someone who loves how they do it, loves the Rolex diamonds and the rubies and all of their precious metals and minerals. I just think it looks like such a gorgeous piece of jewelry as well as an elegant watch. So if you are someone who wants a true showstopper president, one that will stand out even among all the other presidents, you should definitely look at this one, because this is a really, really special one that we have. And it looks great on both men and women as well. So if you have fallen in love with this watch, you should definitely check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.